Have you ever noticed that one set of tires costs around $300 while another sitting right beside it costs more than $450? What if I told you that in many cases, those tires come from the same parent company, use similar engineering, and are sometimes even built in the same factories? Most drivers pay extra for a familiar logo on the sidewall without realizing there are budget brands delivering very similar value for a lot less money. Today, we'll look at 5 tire brands that many people overlook, plus 4 simple checks that help you separate a smart bargain from a bad purchase. And if you enjoy practical car advice that saves real money, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Car Care. Let's get started. Number 1. Laufen is one of the most underrated tire brands on the market. Many drivers see the unfamiliar name and immediately assume it's a low-quality budget option. But the reality is very different. Laufen is owned by Hankook, one of the largest tire manufacturers in the world, and a supplier for major automotive brands. The company introduced Laufen to compete in the value segment without lowering the premium image of the Hankook name. What makes Laufen interesting is that it benefits from the engineering experience and manufacturing resources of its parent company, while often selling at a noticeably lower price. In many tire sizes, buyers can save a significant amount on a full set compared to comparable Hankook models. For drivers focused on value, Laufen is often one of the smartest alternatives available. Number 2. Kumho is another brand that many shoppers underestimate. Why? Of that reputation comes from the fact that some people experience Kumho tires as factory-installed equipment on entry-level vehicles and assume all Kumho products perform the same way. But replacement market tires are often very different from the versions designed to meet automaker cost targets. Kumho has decades of experience and supplies tires to respected automotive manufacturers around the world. Its performance-oriented product lines have earned strong results in independent testing and have developed a loyal following among drivers looking for good grip without paying premium brand prices. If you're shopping for performance on a budget, Kumho deserves far more attention than it usually gets. Before we continue, here's something important. No matter which brand you're considering, never buy a tire based only on the logo. Use the 4 checks we're about to discuss, and you'll make a much smarter decision. First, check the treadwear rating. A higher rating generally indicates longer expected tire life, while a very low number may suggest faster wear. Second, verify the load and speed rating. The tire should meet or exceed your vehicle manufacturer's requirements. Third, research the company behind the brand. Many value brands are backed by major manufacturers with decades of engineering experience. Fourth, check the date code. Even a good tire can lose value if it has spent years sitting in storage before installation. These 4 checks alone can help you avoid most bad purchases. And if these tips are helping you already, hit like and subscribe to Car Care so you don't miss future guides. Now back to the list. Number 3. General Tire has been around for more than a century, but many people still see it as just another mid-level option. What they often don't realize is that General Tire is owned by Continental, one of the biggest and most respected tire companies in the world. Over the years, technology developed for Continental products has influenced many General Tire offerings. As a result, buyers often get dependable performance, solid warranties, and competitive pricing without paying for a premium badge. That's why General Tire has built a reputation as one of the best value choices for everyday drivers. Number 4. Cooper is a name many drivers know, but fewer people know about its current ownership. In 2021, Cooper became part of Goodyear, one of the largest tire manufacturers in North America. That relationship gives Cooper access to larger resources, manufacturing expertise, and technological support while still maintaining its own identity in the market. The result is a lineup that frequently costs less than comparable premium products while offering dependable everyday performance. For commuters, family vehicles, and light trucks, Cooper continues to be one of the strongest value-focused brands available today. Number 5. Salem is probably the most controversial brand on this list. Unlike some of the others, it isn't simply the budget division of a major premium manufacturer. Instead, Salem has built its own reputation over the past 2 decades by focusing heavily on value. Are Salem tires perfect? No. Some owners report increased road noise or shorter tread life compared to premium alternatives, but many drivers are surprised by how much performance they receive for the price. For buyers working with a limited budget, Salem can offer a practical solution when selected carefully and matched to the right driving needs. The key is understanding exactly what you're trading. You may not get every refinement offered by top-tier brands, but you can often save a substantial amount of money up front. Final thoughts. The biggest mistake tire buyers make is assuming that a famous logo automatically means better value. In many cases, the smarter purchase comes from understanding who actually manufactures the tire, how it performs, and whether it meets your vehicle's requirements. Brands like Laufen, Kumho, General Tire, Cooper, and Salem show that lower prices don't always mean lower quality. Before buying your next set of tires, remember the 4 checks: treadwear rating, load and speed rating, manufacturer background, and date code. Do that, and you'll spend your money based on facts instead of marketing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next car care video.